Sometimes, the heart whispers one road, and life pushes us toward another. Between do what you love and love what you do, there lies a quiet story. There was a young man named Evan. He lived in a small town where mornings smelled like warm bread, and the days moved gently like slow rivers. Evan loved painting, but life had other plans. His family owned a small repair shop, and every morning he sat there fixing old radios, dusty clocks, broken music boxes. Hands busy, heart someplace else. One rainy afternoon, an old man walked into the shop. He carried a wooden music box, weathered, cracked, silent. "It belonged to my wife," he whispered. "Can you bring its voice back?" Evan nodded. He opened the box carefully. Inside were tiny gears, rusted with time. But something else caught his eye. A small hand-drawn flower carved on the inner lid. Soft and delicate, like someone's love, frozen in wood. For the first time in a long while, Evan didn't rush. He cleaned every gear gently, polished every corner, and with each motion he felt something quiet bloom in him. The same calm he felt when he used to paint. Hours passed. The rain softened, and finally, the music box came alive. A fragile melody filled the small shop. The old man closed his eyes. Tears gathered. "That was her favorite song," he said. "You didn't just fix it. You brought her back to me." Evan felt a warmth rise in his chest. Not the wild heat of passion, but the soft glow of meaning, purpose. He realized something gentle. Maybe love doesn't only live in the things we choose. Sometimes it lives in how we choose to show up. Days flowed quietly. Evan still worked at the shop, still repaired old things. But now he noticed the tiny stories each object carried. A radio that once played lullabies. A watch that had ticked through someone's lifetime. A music box whispering memories. He didn't leave painting behind. He just learned to paint differently, with tools instead of brushes, with small acts instead of wide canvases. And surprisingly, his heart felt full. Some people chase what they love. Some people learn to love where they are, and neither path is wrong. Because love is not always a place. Sometimes it's a way of seeing, a way of touching the world with presence, with gentleness, with intention. Doing what you love is beautiful. But loving what you do, even the ordinary, the quiet, the unnoticed, can also heal you in ways passion alone cannot. When the heart softens, even a small task becomes a small prayer. Find beauty in the ordinary. Meaning, notice the quiet, simple things that still hold meaning. Example, he didn't love fixing clocks until he learned to find beauty in the ordinary. Bloom where you're planted. Meaning, grow and thrive even if the situation isn't perfect. Example, Evan couldn't leave the repair shop, so he chose to bloom where he was planted. Do it with heart. Meaning, put sincerity and care into what you do. Example, the music box played again because he repaired it with heart. Whether you choose your path or slowly grow to love the one you're on. May your days feel gentle and full. If this story touched you, stay with me for more.